ones petitioning for this appeal, so you will begin with opening statements.
Thank you, Your Honor, and ladies and gentlemen of the jury. The rights to the United States are amazing as they are, but sometimes they're broken in the sense of the case of Miranda versus Arizona. He was he was taken custody of for rape and kidnapping of an 18-year-old woman, and he was not told of his rights due to his previous police record, and he was pretty much like forced to sign a paper saying that he knew his rights without being told what was on it, and this case was like, yeah, they made him incriminate himself, didn't tell him he could remain silent, all that good stuff. That's about it.
Okay. Counsel for Arizona.
We're here today because the defendant, Ernesto Miranda, is appealing of the court's decision of guilty. While in custody, he admitted to the raping of Lois and Jameson, a mildly retarded 18-year-old. Now, he feels he was denied his rights. Ernesto Miranda has a past criminal record and has known his rights for quite some time. Ernesto Miranda is just trying to get some time knocked off of his 20 to 30-year sentence. He should have known his rights for past cases that he's been in. He was not given threats or promises while in custody, so therefore he signed the paper that stated that he knew his rights and the confession willingly and knowingly. So therefore, he's guilty.
Thank you. Main points, evidence, or witnesses for Ernesto Miranda.
I'd like to call Miranda up as witness. Please state your name.
Ernesto Miranda.
And so you were accused of raping and kidnapping an 18-year-old woman. Is this true?
Yeah.
Okay. So you were not told of your rights.
No.
Did you know them to begin with? So you were taken into custody, knowing your rights, but without the police telling you them.
I knew my rights, but police didn't tell me.
Okay, so you knew that you could keep quiet the whole time.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So that violates the Fifth and Sixth Amendments because of not telling you your rights. And you knew you could have did you know that you could have a lawyer in there with you whenever you were being questioned?
No, I wasn't questioned.
Okay. No further questions.
Any cross-examination for the witness?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. Is it true you have a past criminal record that dropped out at 8th grade?
Yes.
Is it true you were first tried for rape and kidnapping of a mildly retarded 18-year-old woman and 11 days later armed robbery? Is it also true you signed a written confession which said, full knowledge of my legal rights, understanding that any statement I make will be used against me? Is it true you signed that? Have you also orally confessed your crimes and then signed the paper which stated Miranda had full knowledge of his rights? Well, yes.
Yes.
Questions?
You may be seated. Any other main points or arguments you'd like to make?
Yeah. It violates the Fifth Amendment because he confessed, he incriminated himself because he was not told that he could remain silent and didn't have to speak up. And it violates the Sixth Amendment because the police on their side, they had failed to tell him everything that he could do to make it better for him. That's it.
I have an objection.
State of Arizona, you may.
Those, which Amendment 6 and Fifth and Sixth Amendments state he has his legal rights. It does not state the police officers have to tell him his rights before he's arrested.
All right. Is duly noted. Do you have any main arguments, evidence, or witnesses to bring to bear in this court?
I'd like to call Jared Marshall.
Who?
Police Jared.
Who is he?
He wasn't in the case.
He's a police officer.
He's a police
Police officer. Okay.
Alright. Is it true you arrested Ernesto Miranda in the past?
Yes.
And what did you arrest him for?
Assault.
So, the defendant has been through the court system before, correct?
Yes, sir.
And have you read his rights to him in the past?
Yes, sir.
And so, would you say that he knows his rights?
Yes, sir. Any cross-examination?
Is it not your duty to uphold the Constitution?
Yes, sir.
And under the protection of the Constitution, citizens like Ernesto Miranda have the right to remain silent, they have the right to a lawyer, and they have the right not to incriminate themselves. Is that correct? But while you were questioning Mr. Miranda, you failed to notify him about these rights. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
It's okay. Everybody drops names.
Did he ever mention he already knew his rights?
Yes, sir.
So you just assumed that he knew his rights, yes? Have you ever heard of the Escobedo rule?
No.
Oh, it states.
Where we'll pick up.